Hello guys and girls, this is Harry from Harry Tech, and today we are going to take a look at one of the best survey websites that goes by the name of Swagbucks. This lovely website has a lot of ways or options to make money from. So today we're gonna take a look at this website and review the proper way to make money. A lot of people actually tend to work on this website, but they don't know how to properly work on it. So today we're gonna clear out some of the misconception and guide you through like I said, on the proper way to work on Swagbucks. Before we start this video, I would love for you guys to actually drop a like, comment down below if there is anything that you want me to explain, because as you are watching this video, I have just made this channel, and this is probably the first video that's going up on the channel. So I would love every bit of support that you guys can show me. I will leave my social media down below if there's like any questions that you want to ask, if there's like anything that you want to inquire about. I'm here to help. So without further ado, let's jump into this video. To create an account on Swagbucks is fairly easy. All you need to do is just come up here and click on sign in with Google, and that will actually create a new account with your Google account. And if you do not have a Google account, that's all right. You can create an account with Apple. And if you want to create, for example, if you have like you are using another email provider, you just come to join today or click on join today and just click on this right button here and click with continue, or click continue with email and fill in the info, and just like that you can create your account. After you create your account, this will be the dashboard of Swagbucks. One of the most popular way to earn money is just by playing games. As you can see, there's like a lot of games on the top header right here. There's like a lot of games on the trending section down here, and you got this thing down in the games box which says earn up to 870 SB. SB stands for the Swagbucks token. Each 100 SB goes for $1. So if you have 1,000, that means you got $10, ladies and gentlemen. So that's how Swagbucks tokens work. So if you like to play games, you just click on one of these games, like I said, down here, and you can just start playing games and making money, obviously. The second way that you can make money from Swagbucks is obviously taking surveys, and this is by far the most, or like the best way to do it. And I'm gonna show you a little trick at the end on how to maximize your earnings on Swagbucks. Obviously, you just come up here to take any survey from this survey wall. Just click, for example, on this one, and it will redirect you to this survey wall. As you can see, you gotta do some surveys, for example, playing games, downloading games, such small tasks like that, and you can earn SB, like I said, SB token. The third way you can make money with Swagbucks is actually getting cashbacks. As you can see, there's a lot of brands that you can go shop at, then receive a cashback when you upload your receipt to Swagbucks. As you can see, guys, there's Best Buy, Amazon, Expedia, Walmart, eBay, a lot of different brands that you can do so right here. So like I said, guys, these are just some of the stuff that you can do on Swagbucks to make money. One underrated feature that you can do, which is the referral program, guys, and you can click on refer, come up here to more, click on refer and earn, and as you can see, you can get 10% of your referrals earning for life. So basically, if we come down here, you can see I have a lot of people that I referred, 314 people that I did refer to Swagbucks, and they actually generated me over, I would say, like $5. So you can actually make money from Swagbucks just by referring people. If that's what you are into, not working, but referring people, you just invite people, let them work for you, and basically generate revenue. That's what you can do. And over here also there is like the swag button. If somebody actually does this, or add the swag button, which is an extension that you can add to your browser, you will get an extra cash if they add it, if your referral as the swag like button, you will get extra more cash flowing into your account. And with that being said, this is how you can make money on Swagbucks. Just to take a quick look on the withdrawal methods there is on Swagbucks. As you can see, you come up here, click on redeem your SB, and there's a lot of withdrawal methods or payment methods, I should say, on Swagbucks. There is Amazon GPP, Amazon cards. This stands for each country: France, Germany, etc. You got Pioneer cards, you got Steam cards, you got PayPal, and you got more stuff down here as well. As you can see, for PayPal, the minimum withdrawal would be $10, guys, and that would be, like I said, equivalent to 1,000 SB. So if you generated 1,000 SB, you are eligible to withdraw your money via a PayPal card, like I said, and you can use whatever it's best for you. I just tend to withdraw money to my PayPal account. So guys, this was just a quick review of Swagbucks, the survey website that everybody is talking about. We will be actually taking a look on more in-depth website, more methods to earn money, and so on this channel. Like I said, if this video was somewhat helpful to you, gave you some sort of information, I would appreciate it if you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel so you will not miss on the stuff we drop. Take care of yourselves and see y'all in the next video.